In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a carousel slider in Webflow. First, head to your Webflow dashboard and open the Sites area so you can access your project. From there, open the project you want to work on in the Webflow Designer. This is where we'll build and style the slider. Once you're in the Designer, look for the Add panel. You can open it by clicking the plus icon. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Slider. You'll see the slider component show up. This is a pre-built element that includes slides, navigation arrows, and pagination dots, so it's a great starting point and saves a lot of setup time. Click and drag the slider component onto your page where you want it to live. You can place it inside a section or container you've already created, or just drop it onto the canvas and refine the layout later. When it lands on the page, you'll see the default structure with slide 1 and slide 2 ready to go. Don't worry about styling yet. We'll focus on getting the content in first. Next, open the Assets panel. This is where your images and media live inside the project. Choose the content you want for your first slide. Typically a hero image or a product shot works well, and drag it directly onto slide 1. When you drop it in, Webflow will place the image inside that slide. If the image looks too large or small, that's okay for now. The important part is getting it into the slide so you can style it afterward. Open the Assets panel again to grab your next piece of content. Now click on slide 2 in the canvas to make sure it's selected, and drag your second image or media onto that slide. Repeating this process keeps your workflow clean. Always confirm the slide you're targeting is selected, then drop the asset in. You can follow the same pattern to replace or refine content later. When your first 2 slides have content, it's time to see it in action. Click Preview to switch into interaction mode. Use the arrows or dots to move between slides and confirm that the images feel sharp and properly positioned. Pay attention to how the slider behaves as you navigate. Smooth transitions and clear navigation are key for a good user experience. If everything looks good, you're set. You can always return to the Designer to adjust spacing, sizing, and alignment so your slider fits your layout perfectly. That's it, your carousel slider in Webflow is up and running.